This is a typical track day class. Of course, you've got some engine swaps allowed here. Less than 2.5 liters naturally aspirated, less than 1.6 liter turbocharged. Looking at around 170 to 230 horsepower. And on the bottom of your screen there, two of those cars are here this weekend, Maroney and Mike Bryant. But Peter Granberg is trying to hold off that 727 for that championship battle.
I imagine that anybody who's got championship aspirations will be doing everything they can in this session, so not surprised that we do see some sticker tires coming out for this session. And
Mike Bryant at the very tail, P5 on the seating in that NC MX5. Had a really strong run this morning in Q7 to qualify himself for this podium sprint. Best lap of the weekend for the Club TR cars was a 1:31.385 by Maroney earlier today. Comes across the stripe, 132.736, goes to third quick, takes up the third step on the podium. Mike Bryant across the line to second place, 132.329. Dogfight here in Falcon Club TR.
Yeah, and still just those 8/10 separating the entire class here for the podium. Or the top five, sorry.
This is so close. There's a look between Peter Granberg and Mike Bryant. Mike's been helping us out with the GLTC commentary this weekend. Been fun to have him up here and then watch him go out to do battle with the points leader in Falcon Club TR. Now, Mike had previously had this car with the stock engine, but now it's got the K24 under the... Finding a lot of speed here early. That's the new time to beat, and that's only a 10th off the track record, so he's flying right now. Granberg couldn't improve, and there's a look at it. 0.8 of a second is what Bryant needs to come out on top here. I don't know that he's shooting that high up the ladder, but he'd be stoked for the trophy. Kingtown, no pickup, 132.929.
Yeah, that time from Maroney is way ahead of what I think I was expecting to see out of this session.
I think everyone is going to be caught by surprise by this one. Feingold to second, 131.825 there. Knocks Granberg down to third. Bryant to second, 131.751. Mario Maroney, after beating the track record this morning, will win Falcon Club TR over Mike Bryant in second place. How about that? Then Stan Feingold in third.